Looking for expert water filter system maintenance, service and repair in Sherwood Park? Kingstree Plumbing ensures your home or business enjoys clean, safe water with reliable professional service. Over time, filters can clog, reducing water quality and efficiency. Our expert team provides thorough water filter system maintenance to keep your system running smoothly. If you're facing issues like low water pressure or contamination, our water filter system repair service will restore performance fast. In Sherwood Park, local water conditions can affect your filtration system. That's why we customize solutions to ensure optimal performance, extending the life of your system while saving you money. With Kingstree Plumbing, you get fast, affordable service backed by trusted local experts. Keep watching to see why homeowners and businesses choose us for water filter system maintenance, service and repair in Sherwood Park.